is my business. No, I know his body selling. I know this person.
Yeah, no, we don't need any, my friend.
But
We don't need any, like.
no, I don't ask. No, like pushing. I don't like my.
No, I understand. You
know
know,
my
you're just
business.
saying, yeah.
Maybe when you like, I say grass. I tell me this what you have good. What's the original one is smoking grass. You.
Yeah.
So very better for you, smoking grass.
For your health?
Yes. Also, everybody see.
Many tourists here smoke?
Yes, many tourists. Many tourists.
Maybe that's why.
Why do the bubbers smoke?
Baba?
Why does bubba smoke? Jack, why do they smoke chewing?
Chilla means smoking grass, charas together.
Yeah, but why?
Everybody here, but Indian people also smoking.
Just because they can? It doesn't mean anything?
No, I heard it because Shiva used to.
Shiva city, everybody like this.
Shiva used
So
to.
they smoke because Shiva smoke?
Yeah. I mean, suppose children they smoke. Grass. Cigars only government shop.
Government
No,
shop.
as charas, opium, like this, no government.
So what can you get from the government shop?
So government starts selling, it's allow license this. Say grass, it's a license. Say charas, opium, brown, no license.
The government
For
sells
green,
grass.
for grass, weed.
This problem, you buy this thing problem. Grass buy, smoke any place, no any problem.
And grass you can buy from the government shop.
Yes. So some see you don't buy here, see like street so many people they say first thing you take buy if you keep cupping, it's no good quality. You give money you get out. How can you find nothing? I say you like thing everything buy when you like it means I buy in both. You buy both, smoke, you are join, try everything after you buy. No like any quick, don't like this. First you try, you sitting man half an hour now is